Why do Jewish men stay calm when their business is collapsing and everyone around them is panicking? I watched it happen last Tuesday. A man I know lost $2.3 million in one phone call. A deal fell through. Partner backed out. 18 months of work gone in 4 minutes. His assistant was crying. His lawyer was screaming into the phone. He sat down and ordered lunch. I called him that night. I said, "How are you eating right now?" He said, "Rabbi, I've been broke 3 times. First time, I cried for a month. Second time, I cried for a week. Third time, I ordered sushi and started planning." His father taught him at 16 that money is a wave. It comes and it goes. The man who panics when it goes drowns. The man who stays still when it goes catches the next one every single time. You lose $500 and you can't sleep for 3 days. This man lost $2.3 million and his heart rate didn't change. Not because he doesn't care, because his father trained him for this moment before it ever came. You prepare for success. Jews prepare for disaster. That's why success keeps finding us. I put everything in one guide, link in bio. Share this with someone who falls apart at the first sign of trouble. Save this for the day your world shakes.